Hello everyone, welcome back to my That Glam Girl Krishna S channel. So today I'm gonna to create this easy glam makeup tutorial. So keep on watching this video, and yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just start this video. Firstly, I'm going to use Nykaa Prep Me Up primer to prep my skin. Next, I'm going to use my GLAM Super Serum Concealer. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'll be using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. What I'm gonna do first is I'll take this color here, which is close to my skin, and I will apply it in my crease well. I'll first take this brown shade from the palette and I'll apply it all over my lid, and I'll take this color, dust the excess, and then start applying it on my eyelid. I am going to take this shade from the palette and I am going to apply it on crease. Take a little bit of black color, dust the excess, then I'll start applying it on my crease. I am going to take this shade from this my GLAM eyeshadow palette and apply it on the top of my eyes, and done. Next, for eyebrows, I'll be using Nykaa Brow Kit shade black. Then I drop out of shape, then I brush them upwards and fill out all the gaps.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on.
Next, for a foundation, today I'll be using Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation shade 220.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact.
And I'll using brush to apply a foundation. Always you actually don't need to use lot of the foundation. It just give the really good coverage, guys. So just one pump is more than enough to cover your entire face.
That you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Next, I am going to use a concealer, and I'll be using this one. This is my GLAM Super Serum Concealer shade Honey. I am going to use a little bit of concealer in all the acne scars, pimples, dark areas of my face, basically all these areas, and I am going to use a blending brush. Next, for contouring my face, I am going to use Manish Malhotra contouring stick. Now just set the base first. I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm first going to set the areas around my eyes. Next, for a blush, I'm going to take a Peri Pera blush lip cheek tint. I'm going to take a little bit of blush and start applying it, one at the soft of my cheeks, little bit my nose as well. Next, I'm going to use Mamaearth eyeliner. Now next, to highlighter my face, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight all the eye points on my face. Next, I'm going to use Lakme mascara. Now next, for a lip, I'll be using Nykaa lipstick shade brown. Lastly, I am going to use makeup setting spray to set my makeup.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my bright makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I.
So this is the final makeup look. If you guys like this look, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new YouTube video in my channel. Follow for more updates on my Instagram account.